It is Ali Monster. Ali the Monster is here. Ooh, Akuma. We finally got an Akuma. Haven't fought one yet tonight. And he's got 9,000 points. He might be decent. You never know. All he needs is one combo on me and I'm fucked.
Who will come out on top? Fight!
That was pretty stupid of me. Oh, I fucked up.
The attacks chain together, one after the other.
Yes. I'm trying to jump back. Thank you. You're going for a ride, boy. Oh. Oh, I fucked up again. Got him. Ultra. Boing. Spin cycle time, boy. Hit the screen. Oh. Look at those gums. Oh man, Akuma has gingivitis, I think.
Will the tide of battle turn? Fight!
Fuck, I fucked up. That's gonna be monstrous damage. Holy shit, dude. Wow, he lands directly on my fireball like an idiot. What an idiot.
Wins.
I win again. On to the finals.